So we're eating here in Golden Corral Buffet and Grill, guys. So this is the cheaper compared to other buffet. So we're going first inside. Best breakfast pala sila. These are the dessert, guys. Dessert, oh. Dessert, cakes. Like, see, cake says too many cakes. So we'll put the water first here, Michael. Ang ganda pala dito eh. Dito yung ano. So dito guys, nandito yung mga lamesa. Wow, Michael, a lot of cakes, Michael. Mike is happy. The breads. Ano ito, Maika? Mashed potato. Mag-mashed potato na tayo. Parang American tayo, di ba? American. So, Bourbon street chicken, guys. No, I don't like this Bourbon chicken. It's the vegetables. All the vegetables. These are the vegetables ever. Tuna salad. Try the chicken one. I don't know what is this, sweet potato, potatoes, big fish. And oh no, it's good. No, I don't like it. But we'll get the chicken. This is my food, rice. See? That's a lot of foods ever.
Mami, palabay pa ko muna si Daddy.
No, but there's no space. No, there's no space.
It's okay.
So guys, itong nabayaran namin sa Golden Corral. Yes, it's 100.13. We are 6 people. See? That's all we have. Diyan na siya. Cotton candy pa siya. Ubos. Ubos.